The 18-year-old survivor of the alleged defilement against Dr. Femi Olaleye arrived at the court on Wednesday with her face covered with a shawl in the company of some family members, including the wife of the defendant who filed the complaint against him. At the resumption of the hearing, the prosecuting counsel, Babajide Martins, called on the survivor to testify, but he prayed for the courtroom to be cleared to enable her to testify in privacy. Martins cited Section 36(6)(a) of the 1999 Constitution as amended, which mandates a court to disallow members of the public from being present in the courtroom in the interest of her welfare. Reacting to the request, lead defense counsel Babatunde Ogala said though the witness has attained adulthood, he would not object to the application on the basis of morality. In his ruling, Justice Ramon Oshodi ordered that the courtroom be closed to the public, including journalists, asking the defense to nominate who to attend the hearing. After the survivor's testimony, the defense counsel applied for a variation of the bail conditions, which the court had granted the defendant on November 30, 2022. The court granted the defendant bail sum of 50 million naira, with two sureties in like sum who are to deposit their original title documents of landed properties in Lagos State, file an affidavit of means of identification, and produce evidence of payment of income tax within the past 3 years. Ogala argued that it has been difficult for the defendant to fulfill those conditions, which had warranted his continued remand at the Nigerian Correctional Center, Ikoyi. He also told the court that the situation had made it difficult for the legal team to meet with the defendant easily and prepare adequately for his defense. Ogala therefore urged the court to grant the defendant bail in the sum of 10 million naira and for one of his sureties to be a relative or professional colleague. With no objection by the prosecution, the judge noted that in line with discretionary powers to vary the bail conditions, doing so will not result to injustice, adding that the court said it will not adopt the bail conditions imposed by the defense. While granting the defendant's application, the court varied the bail conditions by handing down a 40 million naira bail bond with two sureties in like sum. The sureties are to deposit original title documents of the properties, which must be located in Lagos State, and they are to file an affidavit of means and produce evidence of payment of income tax within the past 3 years, while the defendant is to deposit his international passports. The Lagos State government had arraigned Dr. Olufemi Olaleye on November 30 on a 2-count charge of alleged defilement of a child and sexual assault by penetration, which he pleaded not guilty to. Justice Ramon Oshodi fixed January 3 and 4, 2023 for further hearing. Maugbe Josu, LTV News.